my dear students, welcome to Teachers Daily. Today we are going to discuss about MCQ from electricity. So we have finished fourth question. So this is question number 5. The resistivity doesn't change if the material is changed, the temperature is changed, the shape of the resistor is changed, both the material and temperature are changed. So you know that resistivity only depends on, first of all, before starting that, what is resistivity? Resistivity is actually, it is the ability of a material to resist the flow of charge. So what is resistivity? It is the ability. It is the ability of the material. It is the ability of the material to resist the flow of current. So now we can write resistivity actually depends on nature. First, nature and temperature of the material. Nature and temperature of the material. It depends on. So this is depends. It doesn't depends. It doesn't depends length, area of cross section of the conductor. So here we can see depends, and resistivity depends on the nature and temperature of the conductor. It doesn't depends on the length and area of cross section, and also it doesn't depends on the size and shape of the conductor. Size and shape of the conductor. So you have to keep all these points in your mind. First, what I said, resistivity is equal to, it is the resistivity, definition of resistivity, it is the ability of the material to resist the flow of current. So it depends and it doesn't depends, you have to keep in your mind. Now we can see the question again. The resistivity doesn't change if the material is changed. So that option is wrong, because resistivity depends on the nature and temperature of the material. Then the temperature is also changed. The temperature is changed. That time also you can see resistivity depends on the nature and temperature of the material. So this is wrong. So first option is wrong, second option is wrong. Now the shape of the resistor is changed. So here you can see resistivity doesn't depends size and shape. So our option C is correct. So let's see the next option also. Both material and temperature are changed. So that means already we know that resistivity depends on nature and temperature of the material. It doesn't depends on size and shape. So our option C is correct. So I hope you understood question number 5 clearly. Very, very important. So resistivity doesn't depends on, please learn, resistivity doesn't depends on length of the conductor, area of cross section of the conductor, size and shape of the conductor. So I hope you understood. So option C is your correct answer. Now we can see question number 6. In an electrical circuit, two resistors of 2 ohm and 4 ohm respectively are connected in series to a 6 volt battery. So first we can draw the circuit now. So here they said 2 resistors. So here we can draw 2 resistors are connected to a 6 volt battery. 6 volt means what will come? So 1, you know that 6 volt means 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5. So 3 plus 3, 6. So we can draw now. So look. So this is a series condition. So here it's written series. So 6, 2 ohm and 4 ohm. So this is 6 volt battery. So the longer one is positive and the smaller one is negative. So here you can see in an electrical circuit, 2 resistors of 2 ohm and 4 ohm. So here you can see 2 resistors, 2 ohm and 4 ohm are connected in series, because you know that this is series and parallel it will come like this. So this is parallel. So this is series, this is parallel. So 6 volt battery. So now, so first we can write what it is given. So here they have given 2 resistors. So R1 is equal to 2 ohm and R2 is equal to 4 ohm. So this is series, so we can add. So resistors in series is equal to, so here there are 2 resistors, so we can add 2 plus 4, 6 ohm. Next they have given potential difference, that is V. So that V is 6 volt. So what is the formula for I? So you know that I is equal to V by R. So V is equal to 6, R is equal, so here you got 1 ampere. So you got the current here 1 ampere. So now we have to find the heat dissipated means we are doing heating effect of electric current. So what is the formula for heating effect of electric current? H is equal to I square RT. So here you can expect one question also. So heat is equal to I square RT. So from this you can write Joule's law of heating also. So heat is directly proportional to the square of the current. So here you can see, look, I square. Then directly proportional to the resistance and directly proportional to the time. So here we have to find. So don't take this resistance for finding heat because they have given separately. You have to find the heat dissipated by the 4 ohm resistor. So don't write this 6 ohm resistor. That time your answer will become wrong because specifically it mentioned the heat dissipated by the 4 ohm resistor in 5 seconds. So now we can write I is equal. So there is no change for current. So I is equal to 1 square. Then R is equal to what is capital R? Resistance, that is 4, and time is given 5. So you can see here 1 square is equal to 1, then 20. So 20. So what is the unit for heat? That also you can expect for MCQ. Unit, SI unit for H is equal to joule. So 20 joule. So our option C is our correct answer. So I hope you understood. First you have to draw the circuit. So here there are two resistors that we are connected in series and we connected to 6 volt battery. The longer one is positive sign and the smaller one is negative sign. So from this we found what? Current, then V by R. So 6 by 6, 1 ampere. SI unit for current is equal to ampere. So next from this we can find the formula for heat, that is equal to I square RT. So 1 square into resistance given 4 ohm and time is given 5. So 1 into 20, 20 joule. So I hope you understood question number 5 and 6. So I am ending today's session. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe.